Hello friends, good morning. This is Miniraj Kumar and friends today I am here again to talking something with all of you and friends in this video I will reveal some problems then we often make mistakes friends in this video I will tell you about something more important in our life friends, I am here again to share my views and with all of you, and I am here to again, friends, to share my opinions. And friends, friends, if you are new English learners, and if you are new English learners, and if you are a student, and if you are new English learners, and if you want to improve your English, and if you want to learn English, and friends, if you want to do good in your student life, and friends, if you are a teacher, if you are a businessman, and if you are a doctor, and if you are any kind of person, friends, you can watch this video. And friends, if you want to improve your English, and if you want to learn something from this video, friends, you can watch this video. Friends, I promise you that if you watch this video till the end, friends, that you will get more benefits and you will learn so many things from this video. And friends, you will get ideas that how will you talk about your friends, your ideas, how will you share your ideas, you will get ideas. So friends, before starting this video, I want to appreciate my respected audience who is watching me patiently and patiently from all over the world and all over the India. Friends, first of all, thank you for clicking this video. First of all, thank you for visiting my channel. Friends, you know, friends, my friends, as I told you that my name is Niraj Kumar and I am 19 years old. And friends, today I am going to reveal some problems of our life. Friends, you know when we start speaking English, when we want to start speaking English and we want to talk people, and friends, we start when we start our journey with knowing about the world. We want to know many things about the world, but friends, first of all, if you want to start your journey of speaking, if you want to start your speaking learning English, friends, you should not start your journey with knowing about the world. Friends, you should start your journey knowing about yourself. First of all, you should know you about yourself. First of all, you should know about yourself. Friends, don't worry, don't think you should know the world. Friends, first of all, start yourself, know yourself, express yourself. Friends, if you have knowledge about yourself, if you have knowledge about your background, if you have knowledge your about your everything, and you are able to share your family's information, you are able to communicate, and you want to communicate, you want to if you want to talk something about your family, you are able to express your thought. Friends, please first of all know yourself. Friends, if you know yourself, that it means you know everything about yourself, you are able to communicate with other people. So please think, friends, friends, in this video I will express myself, and I will introduce myself. And friends, you can watch me, and you can observe me that how I am talking about my family, how I am talking about my backgrounds. And friends, I will reveal everything about me, and when I will share everything about me. And friends, you can do like this. Friends, friends, I belong a poor family. And friends, I have a nuclear family. Yes, I have nuclear family. Friends, you know there are 7 members in my family. There are 7 members in my family. And friends, I have 4 siblings and my parents. And friends, I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. And friends, friends, as I told you, friends, I have 2 brothers. Friends, my elder brother's name is Mr. Anil Kumar, and my younger brother's name is Mr. Rahul Kumar. And friends, friends, And friends, as I told you, I have two sisters. Friends, yesterday, friends, my elder sister's name is Mrs. Charan Devi, and my younger sister's name is Mrs. C Devi. Friends, my all siblings, and they have got married, friends. But friends, I didn't get married because, friends, in these days I am doing my study. Friends, I am doing a study, and friends, I do not want to get married. Yes, I do not want to get married, friends. I want to do and something in my life. I want to do remarkable in my life. So that's why I didn't get married. Friends, 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 first of all, I want to talk about my elder brothers. Friends, as I told you that his name is Mr. Anil Kumar. Friends, he is, friends, he has got married. Friends, he is married, and friends, he has a good family. Friends, he has a small family, and friends, he has two babies, and friends, he has two children. Friends, his, friends, one son and second is daughter. Friends, his son name is Mr. Pius, and his daughter name is Mrs. Ria. And friends, he has, and his wife name is Miss, Mrs. Santosh. And friends, he is working in government sector. And friends, you know they, friends, he is living good life with his family, with his children. Friends, he is living good life. So this is all information about my friends, about my friends, younger elder brothers. Friends, now I'm going to talk about my younger brother. Friends, his name is Mr. Rahul Kumar, as I told you before. And friends, he is he is married, and friends, he has also a small family. And friends, his wife name is Mrs. Anjali. And friends, he has a daughter. Friends, his daughter's name is Mrs. Purvi. And friends, he is, friends, he is uh friends, mechanic. He works in a factory. Friends, he makes jeans pant in Escort factory. Escort he he makes jeans pant in Escort factory. Friends, he is living a good life with his family, with his children, with his wife. So friends, they has no problems, and they are enjoying their life, all my brothers. Friends, this is some information about my two brothers. Now friends, as I told you that my all siblings have got married. Friends, yes. And friends, all information about my good friends. Friends, so this is very important. Now friends, I want to talk about my education background. Yes, I want to talk about my education background. Friends, I am not and I am not higher educated person. Friends, yes, I am not higher educated person. Friends, I have only done 12th class. Yes, I have done only 12th class. Friends, from FR Inter College. Friends, Chandosi. Friends, in these days I am doing graduation from SM Degree College. Yes, in these days I am doing graduation from SM Degree College. And friends, and I am doing graduation in BA program. Friends, why have I chosen this BA stream? Why have I chosen this BA streams? Because friends, when I was in 12th class, friends, when I was in 12th class, friends, I went to Delhi. Yes, I went to Delhi to do work. And friends, I want to do help to my family financially. And friends, I used to work in Delhi. And friends, there I used to work. Friends, I used to work under a builder. I used to work under a builder. Friends, that builder has a son. Friends, yes, that builder has a son. Friends, he was preparing for civil service exam. Friends, he wanted to be a IAS officer. Yes, he wanted to be a IAS officer. And when he was preparing for UPSC, he was preparing for civil service exam. Friends, he used to with come us. And friends, he used to tell he used to tell something about civil service examination. He was to friends, he used to tell that he is doing preparation for civil service exam. And friends, he used to tell every information about civil service exam. Friends, after listening all these things, and after meet him, and friends, I was so impressed, I was so pleased with him. And friends, that time, friends, I have realized that I should friends, I should pre- I should prepare for civil service exam. Friends, I have I should realized that I should prepare for civil service exam. Friends, and I come back my home, and friends, I have done 12th my class, I have completed my 12th class. And friends, I have started knowing about civil service exam. Friends, civil service exam. Friends, but on that time, friends, that I have realized that, friends, I have lack of confidence. Friends, yes, I was no so confident. Friends, I have no so confidence. Friends, no, I was so nervous. And friends, I used to feel nervous to speak in front of people. I used to feel hesitate in to speak people. Friends, so I was low confidence person. I was introvert person. Friends, but no, I have realized that I want to improve my confidence. I want to build my confidence, and I want to build some basic skills like communicating. And friends, I do not have communication skill. Friends, I have realized that teach start teaching I should start teaching student. Friends, I should start teaching students. Friends, I come back my friends primary school, there I used to study. And friends, there I have done my primary education. Friends, there there is my first teacher, friends, who teaches me, who used to teach me. There is my first teacher, he used to teach me. And friends, I met him. And friends, I shared this um, and friends, I shared this I shared with him. And friends, he asked me that if you want to teach in this school, you can teach, because you are my student. And I believe in you. I believe on yourself. Friends, you can teach. And friends, he allowed me. And friends, I started my teaching. Yes, I teach. Friends, and friends, I used to teach my students with heart, with so love. Friends, there I taught around, yes, there I taught around 1 year. There I taught around 1 year. And friends, my student was so happy. And friends, he loved very much my teaching style. Friends, so friends, they do not want to let me come. Friends, they do not let me come. Friends, they do not let me allow. Friends, so friends, but friends, on that time. And friends, I am doing. Friends, I am learning English language. Yes, I am learning English language. I used to learn structure. And friends, I used to try to speak English language. Friends, I have some of knowledge about English language. And friends, I have done my basic structure. Friends, I have realized that I should moved on our, friends, this language. And I should when realized I have realized that I should be a great teacher. I should be a teacher of English language. Yes, I should be a teacher of English language. I should, friends, that friends, you know why, friends, because I have realized that, friends, you know doctors become only because of teacher. Engineer become only because of teacher. Teacher becomes only of teacher. Friends, there is only one person who can shape this world with sword of his knowledge. So, and I have realized that, friends, our colleges and our schools, they are not teaching basic skills. They are not providing practical knowledge. Friends, they are teaching theoretically. And friends, they are teaching English as a subject. they are not teaching English as a language. And so I have seen that when many students have good knowledge, yes, I have seen that friends, there are so many friends, no friends, no, there are so many students have good knowledge and friends, but they are not able to communicate in English language. They do not have confidence to speak in front of people. They want to share their thoughts, they want to speak in front of people, friends, but they are not able to speak. And friends, they are not able to communicate with others. Yes, they are not friends, they are not confident about themselves. Friends, after realizing all these things, friends, I have decided that I want to be a great teacher of English language. Friends, so this is my dream. And friends, friends, I want English, I want make English easy for my students. I want to make English easy for my students, that because everyone can speak English, everyone can understand English, everyone be confident for English language, because this is just language. But this is the biggest problem for everyone, friends, because we are not seeing this is the language, we are saying this is the subject we are saying. Friends, please don't think so. Friends, you know, I want to say something that, friends, I want to say that, friends, I want to talk something about English language. And friends, why is the importance of English language. Friends, everybody knows that everybody knows that English has become a global language. Yes, it has become a global language. Yes, friends, it has become a global language, because, friends, it is very important. And friends, I also like English language, because, friends, it is used in every fields. And friends, it is used in every fields. And friends, every used it is field. And friends, English is very necessary for everyone, friends, because, friends, you know, in all over the world there are so many languages have put forth their interest to be labeled as a global language. But, friends, none of language has become a global language. Friends, yes, none of language has become a global language. Only English has become a global language. And, friends, it is spoken around 86 countries. Yes, it is spoken around 86 countries. Friends, English is easy language. It is very easier language to learn. Yes, I have realized that it is very easy, but we, friends, we are not confident for English language. It is very easy for non-native speakers. It is very easy, because they already know somewhat English. They are able to understand written English. They are able to understand written English. So this is very easy. And, friends, it has only 26 letters. Yes, it has only 26 letters. And, friends, which letters are, friends, which letters which letter used to make words and make sentences. So, and, friends, you also know that, friends, there are so many words of English language, friends, are used in so many languages already. Friends, English, in so many words of English language have been borrowed from any other languages. So this is very easy language. And, friends, this is very important. Friends, English, English as a global language would not be accepted. So many people who don't know this language, yes, not be accepted. And, friends, but, English as a global language would be accepted. So many people who know this language somewhat, because it is very easy. It is very easy to learn. Anybody can learn English language. Yes, but he has to put in efforts. So it is very easy language. So, friends, friends, it is very easy, because, friends, it is spoken around all over the world. Friends, some people say that it is the language of international job. Yes, it is the international job and business, friends. And some people say that, friends, it is the language of internet. Yes, it is the language of internet. Friends, English is used in every fields of our life, like we can say schools, colleges, and platform and airport and office. In so many fields English is used. It is the friends global language. So friends, I am learning English with myself. Friends, you know, friends, so this is very important. Now friends, English, as I told you, English has become a global language. Friends, now, suppose you want to become a businessman, and friends, you want to started your business. Yes, you wanted started your you want start your business, and friends, suppose you want to expand it your business at international level. Friends, you need English. You need English language. You have to, because you have to communicate with peoples who, friends from different countries. You have to communicate, friends. If you know English language, you can communicate with them easily. But if you do not know English language, you are not able to communicate with them. So this is a very necessary. And friends, suppose you want to be pilot, you want to be air hostess, and if you want to do job at international, friends, level, friends, you need English language. It is the compulsory in India and all over the world, friends, because there you have to communicate in English language. You can't communicate in other language. So this is very important. Now friends, you know, friends, as I told you before that you are a businessman, and you have a meeting at international level. Yes, you have a meeting at international level. Friends, you want to attend that meeting. Yes, you want to attend that meeting. Friends, if you have knowledge of English language, you know the language, you can attend that meeting easily. You can attend that meeting easily. Friends, if you do not know English language, you will face many difficulties in attending that language. You feel so many problems in attending that meeting. So this is very important, because there is there is more possibility that it could be done in English language. It could be done in English language. So please understand. And friends, if you have the knowledge of English language, it makes travel easier. Like you want to travel all over the world, friends. If you know English language, that friends, you do not need to hire expensive translators. Yes, you don't need to hire expensive translators, friends. But if you do not know, friends, if you do not know English language, friends, you need to hire expensive translators to communicate with people. So this is the very simple. And friends, I have realized that, friends, the demand of English language will never stop, and in future more and more people will learn English. Yes, more and more people will learn English, friends. More and more people will learn English, friends. So but somebody knows, if somebody knows English language, it could be very beneficial for him, friends. It can be game changer in every walk for life. It can be game changer. So please understand. Now friends, you know, friends, but I want to, friends, I want to take you, and I want to show you other side of points, friends. So as I told before that English as a global language would not be accepted. So many people who did not know this who don't know this language, friends, like you can say, friends, who want, friends, like you can say, friends, who people want to their language to be global language. Like you can say Chinese people want to their language to be global language. Friends, China did not know English. Yes, China did not know English. English teachers from India are teaching Chinese student. Yes, are teaching Chinese student. China did not know English, friends. But today China is overtaking India. Yes, China is overtaking India. China is capturing the market. Friends, China will not give you a chance. Friends, China will not give you a chance. If you want to make good career, you need English language. Friends, like we can say, friends, Esperanto is another language. Yes, Esperanto is another language, friends. whose supporter friends want whose supporter want their language to be global language friends. They believe that it is not based on any culture friends. They believe it is invented language. They think that it should be a global language. But friends, I have already told you that friends, none of language has become a global language. None one has no one language has become a global language. Only English has become a global language. So friends, this is very simple. But friends, but still I believe that English as a global language, it has more benefit than disadvantages. So this is very simple. For friends, but friends, but there are so many people are sitting here. Yes, there are so many people are sitting here. And friends, there are students, there are teachers, there are businessmen, there are doctors, there are so many people here are sitting here friends. They can say, sir, you are promoting other countries language, and you are promoting Hindi language. You should not promote Hindi. You should not promote English language. You should not promote other countries language. You should promote your mother tongue. You should promote your Hindi language. Why are you promoting other countries language? Why are you promoting English language? You should not promote your mother tongue, promote your Hindi language, promote your international language friends. But remember one thing, please remember one thing friends. Our mother tongue and our Hindi language is not very useful. Yes, it is not very useful friends in our professional life. Friends, it is useful in our personal life friends. you know when we go to 30 years back, when we go to 30 years back and 40 years back, English did not have importance. Yes, English did not have importance friends. But at this moment, it is 2026. English is the most important language. It is the most requirement skills in today's time. Yes, it is most requirement skills in today's time friends, because it is used in our professional life friends. But it is not mean that I am saying that you should forget your mother tongue. It is not mean friends. Don't forget your mother tongue. But friends, remember one thing, that you do not need to learn your mother tongue once more. You do not need to learn your mother tongue once more, because you are good at friends. You don't need to friends. So please friends, it is the most language in our life is our mother tongue. We should not forget our mother tongue friends. But friends, it is not very useful friends. We love, no we love maximum our mother tongue. We love maximum our mother tongue. So please don't forget your mother tongue. But friends, it is not very useful friends. No. But friends, English is used in our professional life. But friends, don't speak English at your house. Please don't speak English at your house friends. But outside the house, with your friends, with your colleagues, please speak in English language friends. Please speak. Please try to speak English language friends. If you make some mistakes in English language friends, yeah, if you make some mistakes in English language, please don't worry friends. Please don't worry. Make 100 mistakes, make thousands mistakes, but please make some mistakes. Please try to speak English language friends. If you are doing mistakes, means you are learning something, you are growing yourself, you are increasing yourself friends. It is a symbol friends. It is a symbol of progress. So please understand friends. Why we are not able to speak English still? Why we are not able to speak English still? Because friends, we never try to speak English language. We never try to speak English language friends. We always speak in our mother tongue. We can speak fluent in of our mother tongue. We are not good at English. We are good at in our mother tongue. Because friends, this is the first problem, that English, friends, English is taught in our school as a subject. English is taught in our school as a subject. English is not taught taught as a language in our school. This is the first mistake. And students never think about English that it is the just language. It is not subject. They never think. They learn they learn they learn it as a subject. They have knowledge. They have knowledge, but they don't use this knowledge in practical way. They don't use knowledge in their life. So this is the problem, friends. So this is the problem. And friends, friends, there are so many people are sitting here. And friends, I want to say that do all of you want to be successful? You will say yes sir, we all of you want to be successful. Why are you asking this question? Why are you asking this question? Because friends, I am asking this question because I already know you all of you want to be successful. Friends, I am sure there is nobody in the world, there is nobody in the world who does not want to be successful. It is, I already know, friends. But remember one thing. Yes, please remember one thing, friends. The real success will not come. Yes, the real success will not come when you change your, friends, the real success will come when you change your mindset. When you change your mindset, friends. You know, friends, if you know English language, you can impact the world. Yes, you can impact the world. Friends, not world is impacting you. While learning English, you can impact the world, not world is impacting you. Friends, you know, the entire world is yours if you know English language. The entire world is yours if you know English language. Friends, you know, you can get as much success if you know English language. If you do not know English, you can't get as much success. So this is simple, friends. You know, this is very important. You know, friends, you know, there are so many students are sitting here. And friends, no, friends, they can say sir, we can't learn English language. Yes, they can say we can't learn English language because we are student of Hindi medium, we belongs to Hindi medium. And friends, but you know, friends, you are making excuse, you are making excuses, friends. So please, friends, no, you know, friends, how can you say that you are Hindi medium student? How can you say that you are Hindi medium student? How can you say you are Hindi medium student, friends? How can you say, friends? You know, I am sure, friends, I am sure that there is nobody in this class. There is nobody in this class that who did not write an English exam in the 10th class. There is nobody in the class who did not write an English exams, friends, because English is there in first class, English is there in 12th as 10th class, English is there in graduation, English is there in 12th class plus 2. Friends, how can you say that you are Hindi medium student? How can you say that you are Hindi medium? Friends, you belongs to Hindi medium. Friends, please don't make excuse. Friends, please don't make excuse. Because friends, out of out of 10 years of Hindi, out of 10 years of Hindi, you are learning one language, that is English. So please don't make excuse, friends. Please don't make excuse. And English medium and other medium, so this is not problem, friends. You know, if I ask that do all of you want to learn English, you will say yes sir, we all of us want to learn English. Friends, please don't tell me that you want to learn English. Don't tell me. First of all, ask yourself. Yes, ask yourself, do all of you want to be learn English? You will say yes sir, we learn. Friends, if you really want to learn English, friends, if you really want to learn, you can learn English. So this is simple. Now friends, this is simple. You know, this is very important. Now friends, you know, we learn English from YouTube channel. You know, we learn English from YouTube channel. We learn vocabulary from YouTube channel. We learn grammatical structure from YouTube channel. We learn so many things from YouTube channel, but we do not have motivation, we do not have burning desire, we do not have purpose, we do not have intent and purpose. Friends, if you do not have intent and purpose, if you do not have burning desire, if you do not have motivation, you can't learn anything. Yes, you can't learn anything. And friends, you are wasting your time only, you are wasting your time. So please be care, friends, be care. So this is simple, friends. We do not have burning desire, friends. We are wasting our time, we are not able to learn anything. So this is very simple. Now friends, friends, if I ask that how is my English, how is my English, you will say yes sir, your English is good, you are speaking well English, you are not making mistakes. But friends, remember friends, if I say, do you want your English to be like mine? Do you want to your English to like mine? You will say, yes sir, I want to my English like you. But you can easily make your English like this, because I am just like you. I am just like you, friends. I do not have other qualities. Friends, I am just like you. Friends, English is not my mother tongue. Yes, English is not my mother tongue. It is also me a strange language. It is also me a strange language. But remember one thing, yes, remember one thing, that who learned English with a lot of difficulties. You know, school does not matter. Hindi medium or government school does not matter. Friends, what matters is motivation. If you have motivation, you can learn English language. But there are so many people start asking, sir, you are impacting on us. Friends, we do not need to learn English language. We are going to our home happily. Friends, you can go your home. But remember one thing, after 5 years, after 10 years, friends, you will regret. Yes, you will regret yourself that, friends, you should have to learn English language, you should have to learn English language. You will regret. So please, our regretness can friends can can be a lifetime. So please don't be, friends. You should know English language. So this is simple language, friends. I have told I have told you the importance of English language. I have told you the, friends, introduction of English language. Friends, there are so many people they want to qualify interview. There are so many people they want to qualify competitive exam. Friends, they are focusing that how to qualify interview, they are focusing how to qualify competitive exam, they are focusing how to get money, how to get good job. But friends, no, nobody is focusing on their skills, nobody is focusing on their requirements. Friends, please focus on your skills, please focus on your knowledge, please focus on your requirements, and please see which skills is requirement in today's, and which skill we should learn in this time. So please understand, there are so many people are, they go to Google and they go to YouTube, they start typing that how to get good job and how to do this, how to do this. And friends, they never try to type that which skills is requirement, which skill is demanded in today's time. Friends, they never type all these things. So this is simple, friends. If I say, and there are so many, there are my sisters, my brothers, there are so many people are sitting here, and excuse me sir, what do you want to become? And excuse me ma'am, what do you want to become? You will say, I want to become a teacher. You will say, I want to become a doctor. You will say, I want to become I want to become a businessman. But friends, remember one thing, I already know. Yes, remember one thing, I already know that all of you, you don't want to become like that. Yes, all of you, you don't want to become like that. You want to become a good earner in this time only. But you want to become a good earner in this time, because everyone is focusing only to earn money. Yes, everyone is focusing to earn money. Friends, no, friends, so please, in my humble request, please don't focus to chase money. Please don't focus to chase money. Friends, please don't make it to focus to chase money. Please don't run after money. And no, that your family start asking to talk to you, that your family think 100 times to call or not, my sister, my brother, my son, my daughter, my wife, like that. So please don't run after money. Friends, please don't run after money. Friends, in my humble request, friends, I know, friends, I only know, friends, that time heals everything. Yes, time heals everything. But remember one thing, time never comes, time never comes, time never comes. Friends, time never comes. So this is very simple. You know, there are so many people are sitting here and they can say, sir, you are not speaking well English, your English is not good. But friends, it is, I already know that my English is not good because I am a learner, I am learning English language. Friends, I am learning English language. Friends, I have decided that first of all I will learn English. Yes, I have decided that first of all I will learn English, and after that, friends, I can get a good job. I can do everything through English. So that means, guys, but you are focusing to earn money. You are focusing to earn money. So please don't focus to earn money. Friends, focus on your skills, focus on your knowledge, focus on your ability, focus on your requirements. This is simple. So friends, in today's time, as I told you something about money, today's time everything is possible by money. Yes, everything is possible by money. Friends, but if I ask, money is everything? Yeah, money is everything. You will say, yes, sir, money is everything. Because we can buy anything by using money. We can buy anything. Money is everything. Friends, no, we need to accept that. We need to accept that money is not everything. Yes, friends, are you in your? You are not in your sense, guys. Are you forgetting in your? And are you forgetting something? Are you forgetting some things? In your, you are not in your science. In your nets, you are not sense, and you are not in your sense. Friends, no, you know. Money can buy a flat. Yes, money can buy a flat, friends. But it can, friends, no, money can buy a flat, but not life. Yes, not life. Money can buy a book, but not knowledge. Yes, but not knowledge. Money can buy a watch, but not time. Simple, but not time. Money can buy, money can buy a beautiful thing, but it can never buy happiness, it can never buy joy, it can never buy peaceful life, guys. Do you remember? Do you notice that? Do you remember? Do you notice that money can buy this stage, but it can never buy confidence? Yes, it can never buy confidence. You have to build your confidence by yourself. Yes, you have to build your confidence by yourself. Money cannot buy your confidence. Yes, this is simple. Friends, something I have told you about, some information about money, friends. But friends, it is very important thing in our life. Suppose if you have money, so people will respect you. If you do not have money, so people will not respect you. Harsh this is the harsh reality of our society, friends. That means you are not able to pay your bills, you are not able to feed your family, you are not able to help the society, even can't, that you can't take care of your family. So this is simple. So friends, this is very simple. You are able to, friends, no, this is very simple. Now friends, as we were talking about English language, friends, I have told you the introduction of English language. Now friends, I am going to tell you that how will you learn English language. I will give you some points, I will give you some information about English language. But friends, if you want to learn English language, and if you want to learn any language and any other language, friends, first of all you must know that what are the things in a language. What are the things in a language, friends? You must know. Friends, in a language there are four things only. Yes, there are four things. One is reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Yes, there are four things. Friends, if you want to command on language, yes, if you want to command on language, you must know these four things. Friends, these are pillars of language. Yes, these are pillars of language. If you have command on these pillars, it means you know language, you will learn English language easily. So this is simple, because you are able to speak, you are able to write, you are able to listen and understand. This is the language. You are able to speak in front of people. Friends, you are able to framing sentences in your mind. Friends, so this is called language. Friends, in this video I will discuss about every each pillar of English language one by one. Yes, so friends, we are starting this video. Friends, before learning any skills, what what we, friends, we often make mistakes. Do you know what we often make mistakes? We make some mistakes before learning any skills. First of all, I want to reveal these mistakes in front of you. Friends friends, do you want to know about these mistakes? Friends, yes, I am talking about mistake number one. Yes, mistake number one. Friends, friends, no, someone rightly said that, friends, if you want to solve your problems, yes, if you want to solve your problems, if you want to solve your problem, you first of all you must know your problems. Friends, if you do not know your problems, you can't solve it. Yes, if you do not that what are your problems, you can't solve it. Friends, first of all know your problems and see where your problems lies, and where your problems lies. Friends, I am talking about mistake number one. People don't take an action. Yes, people don't take an action. Friends, there are so many students, there are so many people, they learn some skills, they want to learn English language, they want to speak in fluent English language. Friends, no, but nobody does not take action. Friends, no, out of hundreds only 10 students take action. This is the first mistake. And friends, this is the first mistake. And friends, second mistake is that, friends, people does not people don't continue his people don't continue their work. Yes, people don't continue their work. This is the second mistakes, uh, which is done by so many students. And friends, people does not continue his work. Even Mahatma Buddha said that human makes two mistakes. One is, friends, they never he never starts work whatever he want to do in his life. And second mistake is, friends, he does not continue his work. He does not continue his work. This is the second mistakes. This is the second mistakes. Friends, like you want to make your body. Yes, like you want to make your body, you want to go to gym. Friends, but still you don't go to gym. Friends, you don't go to gym. How how can you make your body, friends, without going gym? How can you make your body? Friends, you have to go to gym for making your body. Friends, you have to go to gym at least. Friends, likewise, if you want to be a good speaker, friends, there are so many people, they want to learn English language, they want to speak English language, but friends, still they don't take action, still they don't speak. Friends, if you do not speak, you can't speak. This is simple. This is simple way. If you don't speak, you can't speak. This is the mistakes. you know taking taking action, it is going to give you result. It is going to give you result. If you do not take action, friends, those action are not going to give you any result. This is simple. Friends, You are watching this video, it means you have started your journey. Yes, you have started your journey. You want to you want to improve your English. Yes, you want to improve your English. You have joined this video, friends. But you have to take action. You have to take initiatives if you want to improve, friends. You have to speak every single day. Yes, you have to speak every single day, friends, because speaking comes only by speaking, friends. Speaking comes only by speaking, friends. I can't say that please go to the medical shop. Yes, I can't say please go to the medical shop and buy 10 tablets and one morning, one evening, after 10 days, good English. But remember one thing that there is not such tablet in the market. Yes, there is not such tablet in the market. There is only one tablet, that is hard work, friends. That is hard work. You have to bring your hard work. You have to do hard work for your learning English, friends. Please understand. You know, this is the first mistake which is done by so many students. Now, friends, I am moving on our next mistakes number 2. Friends, friends, mistakes, friends. People want overnight result. Wanting overnight result, that is the mistakes number 2, friends. you know if you have started your journey, you have started your spoken English journey, friends. People deliver bunny speech. People start learn some structures, and they start comparing their self with extraordinary person. Friends, they start comparing themselves with extraordinary person who is speaking well English, who is speaking well English. Friends, you should not compare yourself with extraordinary person who's speaking well English, because he friends you know he has done a lot of practice of speaking, so that's why he is speaking well English. But you should not compare yourself with him, friends. First of all, you should compare yourself. If you want to compare yourself, you should compare your progress with previous day progress. You should compare your progress with previous day progress, friends. So this is the right way. So friends, nothing is happens. Nothing happens overnight. Everything takes time. Yes, everything takes time. When I friends no when I learned English, friends, it took me 2 years to learn basic things. Yes, friends, after learning English 2 years, friends, I was not able to speak. Friends, I was not able to speak. But I put efforts from my heart. Friends, that efforts helped me to speak today. That's why I'm speaking English. Friends, so this is simple. Please know, Rome was not built in a day. Yes, Rome was not built in a day. Friends, it took a time. It took a time. Friends, your English is also going to take the time. So this is simple. So friends, this is the mistakes number 2. Now, friends, I am moving on our next mistakes. This is the self-doubt. Friends, mistake number 3. Third, friends, mistake number third, that is self-doubt. There are so many people, they have self-doubt. Yes, they have self-doubt. They want to do remarkable in your life. They want to fulfill their dreams, and they want to be achieved in their life. But friends, they are victim of self-doubt. Friends, they have doubt. Friends, they have doubt. You know, when friends, as I told you that I teach my student in this room, and no friends, there are so many students come here, and friends, they ask me, friends, sir, after doing your course, will will be will I be able to speak English? They ask. I say, if you do my course, if you do efforts with your heart, why not? You can speak English, friends. They ask again, sir, will I be able to speak English after doing your course? I say, if you put your efforts, if you do this work from your heart, why you can't speak? Friends, they ask third time. Yes, they ask third time that, sir, after doing your course, can I speak English fluently? I simply say, no, you can't learn. They start asking, why, sir, why are you saying this? Because friend, if you have self-doubt, if you do not willing to improve your English, how can I judge you? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? How can I judge you? If you are not, if you have self-doubt, if you are dubious, so please, there are so many people, they have mindset of beggar. Yes, they have mindset of beggar. They don't keep mindset of king. They don't keep mindset of king. Friends, there is one thing that, friends, that if you think that you can't, it means you can't. If you think you can, you can. Friends, there are so many people, friends, say themselves, I can't do anything in my life, I am not able to do anything in my life. And friends, friends, rather than saying I can't do anything and I am not good for nothing, friends, saying I can do whatever do want in my life, whatever I want to do in my life, say this thing. So this is simple. And friends, rather than saying, friends, you can anything if you believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, first of all, you have to believe in yourself. And first of all, don't think what people think about you. What people think about you. Think about yourself with you, friends. It is not matter that, it is not matter, friends, what people think about you. It is matter what do you think about yourself. What, friends, what you think about yourself. Friends, friends, there are so many people, and there are so many people, they limit their own potential because they are worried what will people think about them. Friends, rather than, friends, instead of following true goals, they are they are worried about the society. Friends, friends, and this kind of things, friends, it, friends, make your confidence lose. It, this kind of things make you lose. So don't think about the people. And friends, your personal, if you do like these things, friends, your personal choices, your personal decision, your personal, friends, they start big, they start losing. Friends, they start, friends, they are influenced by society judgment. Friends, they start, friends, first of all, you should believe in yourself. You should respect yourself. If you respect yourself, if you believe yourself, more than what society think about you, then then your confidence start builds. Then your confidence start builds. You can confidence your builds. So you have believe in yourself. You can do everything because you have more powers. God has given you all these powers. Yes, you all, God has given all these powers. Please use it. Please don't don't be self doubt. Don't be self dubious. you know this is our third mistakes, friends. Now I am going to our fourth mistakes number, friends. Waiting for perfection. Yes, waiting for perfection. you know we want to learn so many things in our life. Yes, we want to learn so many things in our life, but we are waiting that someone will come and who help us, and then we start. They start waiting for perfection to come, that once I become perfect, then I will start my journey, then I will start speaking. Friends, it is not going to happen. Yes, it is not going to happen, friends. This is the real life, not real. This is not movie, friends. This is your real life. Please understand. It is not going to happen, friends. You know, start start whichever formed, start with yourself. Friends, if you put efforts and every day and a period of time, friends, then people start calling you Mr. Perfectionist. So friends, if you put in efforts every day, then perfection follows you. So this is the all game of practice. This is the all game of practical way. So this is simple. This is simple. Please understand, this is the simple. So please don't think people. Friends, don't wait for perfection. Friends, there is nobody in the world. Yes, there is nobody in the world who can help you. Yes, who can help you. There is nobody in the world who can help you. There is only one person who can help you. Friends, you can help you. Friends, don't depend on teacher, don't depend on your madam, don't depend on any others. Friends, believe in yourself. You have to do whatever you want to do in your life. This is, please keep the mindset of king. Friends, don't keep the mindset of beggar. Friends, so this is the attitude. Friends, this is the attitudes. you know Friends, change your attitude, change your mindset from negative to positives. Friends, change your thoughts from negative to positive. Friends, this is very easy. Friends, you start getting ideas about your goals. You start getting knowledge about your goals. Your mind is focusing on your dreams. Your mind is focusing on your dreams. So this is very simple. Friends, this is the your mind is focusing on your dreams. So this is very simple. Don't think what people think about you. Please, if you believe in yourself, you can do anything in your life. Why are you focusing on people? Friends, focus on yourself. So this is very important. Don't think. Friends, this is very simple. Now friends, this is the fourth mistakes. Now friends, I am moving our next mistakes. That friends, unwillingness to leave comfort zone. Yes, this is the fourth mistakes. Unwillingness to leaving the comfort zone. Friends, people are in their comfort zone, and friends, they do not want to leave their comfort zone. Friends, they do not want to love to leave their comfort zone because they feel comfort, but they do not know that their comfortability is the biggest uncomfortability. Yes, their comfortability is the biggest uncomfortability. Uncomfortability. Friends, did not think. Friends, if you want to, friends, if you want to successful person in your life, friends, you have to be a little bit uncomfortable. Friends, uncomfortability is non-comfortability. Uncomfortability is non-comfortability. Comfortability means you are uncomfortable. This is simple. Friends, someone said rightly that if you want to make your life comfortable, friends, you start feeling uncomfortability. Friends, if you are uncomfortable, feel you are comfortable. Friends, you are doing something. Friends, you are comfortable, nothing is going to different. Nothing is going to different. So this is simple. Now friends, this is the comfortability. Friends, please get out your comfortability. Please get out your comfortability. Friends, please get out of comfortability. So now friends, this is very simple. Now friends, this is very important. And friends, I am moving on our next mistakes. This is, friends, this is, friends, 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 we do not have any purpose, and we do not have any burning desire. This is the big mistakes. We do not have any burning desire, we do not have purpose. That friends, it is not matter that how much grammar you know. You don't know grammar, that's fine. You don't know vocabulary, that's fine. You don't know grammar structure, that fine. But If you have purpose, if you have burning desire, if you have intent, then you can easily convey your message. Like you are not understanding my talks, friends. I will give you example. That friends, suppose you are at bus stop, and friends, and yeah, you want to, friends, go to Delhi, friends. But friends, you want to take bus for Delhi, but you don't know English. Conductor knows English. Conductor knows English, but you don't know English. Friends, if you want to take bus for Delhi, friends, how would you conductor? How would you conductor? How would you ask conductor? How would you ask conductor? Friends, you can say, sir, I ticket Delhi. I go Delhi. I ticket. You can talk like this if you have intent and purpose clear, friends. You know, if I say, friends, you know, in my class, I ask my student and come on the stage and speak on some topics. And no, friends, no, they start controlling themselves. They start controlling themselves, friends. They do not want to leave their comfort zone, friends. This is the big problem for you. They don't want to leave their comfort zone, friends. So this is very important, friends. If I say come on the stage, speak on any topic, friends, if you do not have intent and purpose, you start looking around, friends. You do not have any words for speaking. You do not have any words for speaking, friends, because you are not, friends. You are not, friends. You do not have comfort zone. When if I say you have to speak on trees, when you then your whole energy is start concentrate and one topic on trees. Then you start getting ideas on tree, then you start getting knowledge about tree, then you speak, then you can speak, friends. This is the friends, this is the importance of intent and purpose. So this is very simple. Now friends, this is very simple, and friends, I am going to talking about our last our sixth mistake number, friends, quitting before the game ends. Yes, this is the same thing. This is the best. This is the most important for students, that most of the people, they joined some services, some courses, they want to do something in their life, and they start with their heart, friends. They quit it before the game ends, friends. You never get result if you quit before the game ends, friends. You have to patient, you have to patient, you have to do efforts every day before the till game ends, friends. You have to do. So this is very important. Don't quit before the game ends. Don't give up, friends. Don't give up. Don't give up, friends. Efforts, do efforts every day. Do efforts. Don't, friends, this is not good things for you, friends. If you want to improve your English language, if you want to be do something in your remarkable in your life, then friends, don't quit before the game ends, friends. As I told you before that, friends, out of hundreds only 10 students, they friends, they they friends, they they take action, but friends, out of 10 students, only 1 or 2 student continue his efforts until be reached their goal. They they do their efforts continue, friends. So this is the practice of importance, friends. Friends, for speaking, it is not matter how much grammar you know. It is not matter how you are good at vocabulary, friends. It is not matter, friends. It is not matter how much. It is matter you are able to communicate with others. You are matter that you are able to speak. It is matter, friends. This is the importance of practice, friends. If you want to speak, you have to speak simple, the simple thing. Please understand. Why are you not understanding it, friends? I am going to moving on our next mistakes we often makes. This is the, friends, glossophobia. Yes, glossophobia, friends. Do you know the meaning of glossophobia? Do you the know? Do you know the meaning of glossophobia, friends? Glossophobia means that the fear of public speaking. The fear of public speaking. People wants to learn English. People wants to speak English in front of people. Friends, they want to do remarkable in their life. But friends, they have fear of public speaking. Friends, yeah, this is the, friends, do you know that this is the second biggest, you know this is the biggest fear of on this planet after the death. This is the second fear on this planet after the death. That is first fear on this planet. It is the biggest. That is the biggest. And after that, fear of public speaking is biggest fear on this planet after the death. Friends, someone has rightly said that if you want to overcome your fear of public speaking, friends, you face your audience. This is a simple way there, friends. As I told you before that, friends, when I was in 12th class, friends, I was no confidence. Yes, I was no confidence, friends. I have a lack of some skills, and friends, I have, I started teaching the students that so that I can improve my communication, I can improve my confidence, I am able to speak in front of people, friends. So you have to face your audience, friends. You have to face your audience, friends. If you want to be successful in life, you have to overcome your fear. Then you face to your audience. You face to your audience. So, friends, this is simple. Friends, glossophobia is the biggest problem. Friends, this is very important. Friends, you have to face you have to speak in front of people. Don't think that you are speaking wrong or right. Don't think, friends. People are waiting for you. Friends, be a good example. Friends, be a good example. Friends, your audience wants to that you speak well. Your audience wants to you that you speak well, friends. Your audience never wants you to speak wrong, friends. So this is the very simple. You have to face your audience. Now, friends, I have told you and 7 mistakes in this video we often makes, and friends, that mistakes stops us speaking English. So this is simple. Now, friends, I was talking about English language, and friends, I have told you that there are four things in English language. There are four things, friends. One is that I told you that reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Friends, if I ask, are you reading English in your life? Are you reading English in your life? You will say, yes, sir. We are reading English in our life. We are reading English in our life. We are reading English in our life, friends. We are reading English life. Are you reading? Do you read English daily? You will say, yes, we read English daily because we read newspaper, we read magazines, and we read stories. We read and so many things daily. But friends, you know you read all these things only for meaning. Yes, you read all these things only for meaning. You never try to read all these things only for meaning. You never try to read all these things only for meaning. Friends, you never try to read all these things only for meaning. Friends, friends, when we read anything once time, only meaning becomes clear. Yes, only meaning becomes clear. Only meaning becomes clear. Friends, only meaning becomes clear. Friends, only meaning becomes clear. Friends, but friends, I am feeling thirsty, and friends, I want to take water, and friends, I take some water, friends. I am feeling thirsty. I took bottle, and friends, there is some water in this bottle. Friends, as we were talking about that, that we were talking about, friends, meaning is not very, it is not important for improvement. It is not important for improvement. It is not important for language, friends. What is important for language, what is important for improvement, friends. you know you have to do it, that friends. Friends, please, friends, that please check that how, friends, which kind of language used in this particular passage. How are the sentences used in this passage? Please identify. Please, check out. Friends, please check out. You have to notice each sentence. you know this kind of things will make you, friends, will help you more in learning language. Friends, notice each word, that how concentrated this word, how concentrated these words. So this is very simple. There are so many teachers, they suggest their students, that if you want to improve your English language, if you want to improve your English easily and early, friends, they suggest that you should read books daily, and 10 pages and 20 pages they suggest, friends. But I think that this kind of things is not good. Friends, this is my personal opinion, that, friends, I am not suggesting you. Friends, I have realized so many things, I have experienced so many things. Friends, if you want to improve your English language, if you want to be fluent in English language, friends, read only one page or two page. Read only one page or two page. But friends, you have to read these pages at least at 10 times or 20 times. There are so many people start asking, friends, they start asking, sir, why why is we should repeat these things? Why we should repeat these things? Because, friends, when we repeat anything again and again, when we repeat anything again and again, becomes, we become, ना पता ना. As we were talking about, friends, friends, as we were talking about, friends, that, friends, reading, friends, when we repeat anything, again and again, and friends, we become master of this thing. We becomes master of these things, friends. you know repetition brings language, repetition brings knowledge, repetition brings confidence, friends. you know Bruce Lee said rightly, yes, Bruce Lee said rightly, that I am not afraid who practice thousands kick, who practiced thousands kicks. Friends, Bruce Lee said that I am afraid who practice one kick thousands time. Friend, this is the importance of practice. You can see this is the importance of practice. Friends, when we repeat anything, again and again, be master of this thing. Be master of this thing. Be master of this thing. Friends, so this is very important. Now friends, this is all information about me. And friends, you know friends, repetition, friends. So this is make I made some points. I made some points about friends. I made some points about this and that. Friends, now I am moving on our next next pillar of English language. This is called writing. Friends, writing is the most important pillar of language. Friends, there are so many students want to write in English language, but friends, they do not have knowledge how they can learn, how they can how they can write in English language. Friends, how they can friends, I have seen that many students they have lack of knowledge, and many students they are struggling they are struggling struggle 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 struggle. They are struggling that they do not want to write at all. They do not want to write at all. Friends, they are struggling. And many students who belongs to Hindi medium backgrounds, friends, they have, this is the big mistakes when they when they take exam, friends, when they attempt exams, in the examination, then they feel so hesitate in written. Friends, they do not have ability to write in English. Friends, they do not have ability to write English. So friends, when I was in 12th class, friends, I was not able to write, but friends, I could make small sentences. I can make small sentences. So friends, after I have realized that first of all I will learn English, so I am doing my efforts. This is very important. Friends, in this video I will make you two way of writing. First way is, friends, that if you want to write, friends, first of all learn basic grammar. Friends, you should know that how to use basic words of language, like we can say is, am, are, was, were. Friends, how can we use these words? You must know, friends. And second is, know the basic grammar of English. Know the basic and tense, modals, and active passive voice. Friends, know the basic things. Friends, then you have to do this thing. Friends, choose one topic. Yes, choose one topic in a day. And friends, in a day you have to think about this topic only 10 lines. In a day you have to think about this topic only 10 lines. Only 10 lines. Friends, next day choose same topic and think about this topic again, but this time you have to think 20 lines and 30 lines and 40 lines. Friends, like you have friends, like you have like friends, you choose education, like you choose education. And friends, think about education, that what is the meaning of education, and what are the benefits of education. Please think, what are the importance of education, and what is the meaning of education. Please think, and you can, next day choose same topic and think again. Friends, if you do practice like this way, and one topic, and around 1 week and 15 days, you can easily improve your writing skills, because you have knowledge this particular topic. You have ideas about this particular topic, because you are thinking about this topic daily. You are revision this topic daily. So this is very simple. And friends, I am going to talk about and our next way of writing. Friends, this is the way that, friends, suppose you get angry with your friends. Suppose you get angry with your friends, you want to fight with them, you want to fight with them. So friends, with please don't fight with them, please don't fight with them, friends. you know because fighting will create problems, friends. Fighting will create problems. In my humble request, please don't fight with them. Please come back your house and enter your study room and sit on your study chair and take your notebook and take your copy and start thinking about them, that why do you get angry with them, why do you get angry with them, and why do you hate them, and start writing 20 sentences and 10 sentences. you know Friends, after writing 20 sentences and 30 sentences, you feel very relaxed, you feel very relaxed, you feel very happy, you feel very happy, because we have maximum fluency in our written communication. We have so many ideas in our written communication. So this is the way, friends. You have to transform your thoughts in your written. You are able to uh, convey your ideas in written communication. So this is very simple. You can do practice like this way. Now friends, this is I made 2 points about writing. You can follow it, so now friends, I am moving on our next third third pillars third pillar of English language. This is very necessary for everyone. Yes, this is very important. You cannot escape this pillar of language. You cannot escape this pillar of language, friends. Yes, I am talking about listening, friends. I am talking about listening, friends. You know, when we learn any language, listening plays very significant role. Yes, listening plays very significant role, friends. Why I am suggesting you that you should listen, friends. Why we should listen, friends. Listening and reading, these are called foundation. Yeah, yes, reading and listening, these are called foundation. Do you know the meaning of foundation? Do you know the meaning of foundation, friends? Foundation means that if you want to if you want to build building, you need foundation for your. So listening and reading, these are foundation for your communication, for your knowledge, for your improvement, friends. Because when we listen, when you listen, you know listening will give you ideas, listening will give you improvement, listening will give you correctness, listening will give you vocabulary, listening will give you pronunciation, listening will give you confidence. So listening will give you understanding. So this is very important. But friends, when we start listening, and whenever we listen to English language, like somebody is speaking in front all of you, 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 when we start translating, we start translating, we start translating it to understand. We start translating it to understand. Yes, friends, we start translating it into our mother tongue to understand. Friends, please, you know please stop doing that from today. Please stop doing that from today, friends, because we do not need to translate it version. We do not need to translate it into our mother tongue to understand. We do not need to, friends. We do not need to, friends. We do not need to translate it version. We have to understand English to English. We have to understand English to English. So this is very important. Now friends, this is very important. This is very important. So please don't translate. And friends, there are so many students, they start, they when they start their listening journey, and friends, they want to listen so many things, and friends, they make mistakes that they start their they start their they start their listening journey, friends, with watching movies, with listening podcast. But friends, you should not watch movies, you should not watch podcast, because friends, you always have to start your journey with friends. You always start your journey with friends, with watching kids cartoon, kids stories. You always start your journey, friends. You always start your journey, friends. You always start your journey, friends, because kids cart, they use they use simple language. Yes, they use simple words in their program, because you are able to understand easily. But friends, if you listen if you listen to movies, if you listen to broadcast, friends, they use advanced language, they use advanced word in their advanced word in their program, because you are not able to understand them. You are not able to understand them. Please understand. You are not able to understand, friends. You are not able to understand. you know you are not able to understand, friends, because they use advanced word. So friends, please always start your listening journey with watching cartoons, with watching food and kids stories. So I make some points about listening, friends. If you follow it, you can improve your speaking English, you can improve your speaking skill. So this is very simple. Now friends, I am moving on our next pillar of language. This is the last pillar of language. This is called speaking. Friends, it is the most important pillars. It is the most important pillars. That friends, you know all these things, and you are not able to speak. It means you does not know anything. So this is the simple. You are able to speak. It means you know language. Friends, you know first of all, please, one thing keep in your mind always. One thing please keep in your mind always. Friends, please keep in your mind always. Friends, please keep it in your mind always. Please keep in your mind. Friends, no, speaking comes only by speaking. Please understand, speaking comes only by speaking. Friends, speaking comes only by speaking. You know, no, there are so many students, there are so many people, they want to speak, they want to start their speaking. Friends, they are waiting for perfection. Yes, they are waiting for perfection to come. Friends, please don't wait for perfection to come. Please don't wait for perfection to come, because friends, perfection will not come. Friends, perfection will not come. Friends, you have to speak with yourself, friends. No matter how much grammar you know, how much vocabulary you know, it is not matter. It is matter that you are speaking, friends. You are speaking, it is matter. Friends, please understand, it is matter. Friends, it is matter. Friends, it is matter. Friends, this is very important. you know Friends, there is there but I have told already before this video that friends, I can't say that please go to the medical shop or buy 10 tablets one evening, one morning, after 10 days good English. And but please, there is not such tablet in the market. Yes, there is not such tablet in the market. There is only one tablet, that is work hard. Yes, that is work hard. Are you willing to work hard? You can improve. You know, but one question is arises here that friends, you know, how will you practice of speaking? How will you do practice? How will you practice of speaking? Friends, how will you practice of speaking? Friends, you know, friends, good to practice with them, good to practice with friend. If you have friends, practice with them. If you do not have friends, please don't worry. Friends, please don't worry. Friends, you have a you have better friend than your cell phone. You have better friend than your cell phone, because friends, your real friend might run away. Yes, your real friend might run away, but your cell phone does not run away. You always have your cell phone. You always have your cell phone. Please use it and learn. Please use it and learn. So this is very important. Friends, please, it is very important. Please use it and learn. Friends, no. If you speak in front of people, if you speak English with your friends, you feel shy, you feel nervous, you feel hesitate. Friends, don't speak with people. Start speaking English with yourself. Talk yourself. Friends, you have your mobile phone, record yourself and see how you look, and identify your mistakes, that what are the mistakes are you doing. Friends, think. And friends, you have to identify yourself. Friends, I am not I do not have any friends, I do not have any trainer who can train me, who can guide me. Friends, I am learning English with myself. Yes, I am learning English with myself. Friends, record yourself and identify your mistakes. So this is very important. So friends, have you seen have you seen that people play chess with themselves? People play chess with themselves. Have you seen? Friends, they put white corn, then they go there. They put white corn, again they come here. You can practice English like this way. You can practice English like this way. You can speak English with yourself. So this is a simple way. Friends, this is a simple way. you know have you read Bhagavad Gita? Yes. Have you read Bhagavad Gita? Have you read Bhagavad Gita? Friends, what did what did what did say, what did Krishna says? What did Krishna says? Friends, Krishna says that whatever whatever you do, whatever you do in your life, friends, he say, whatever you do in your life, do it efficiently. Yes, please do it efficiently. Friends, if you come to impact, if you come to impact, if you come to impact, then learn efficiently. Friends, then learn efficiently. It is going to make your life, it is going to make you successful. Friends, it is going to make you successful. You know, in our tradition, we have something called mantra. Friends, mantra, do you know the meaning of mantra? Friends, mantra means that you have to speak one word at least 100 times and 200 times. It is called mantra. Friends, what is your mantra? Friends, your mantra is English speaking. Friends, as soon as get up early in the morning, and so friends, you do puja and you do bathing and all friends and all. Please do all these things in or please do all these things only English. Can you do that? Friends, if you can do that, you can improve your English. You can improve your English. If you can't do that, you can't improve. Friends, you know, if you don't practice one day, friends, if you don't practice one day, please don't sleep on that day. Please don't sleep on that day. Please don't eat on that day. please do please don't do anything on that day. Can you have so much motivation? Friends, can you have so much motivation for 6 months, for 1 year? You can improve your English. So this is simple. This is simple. This is simple. Friends, this is the simple. Please understand. Friends, Speaking comes only by speaking. Friends, speaking comes only by speaking. Friends, you know, are you Indian? You will say, yes, sir, we are Indian. Why are you asking this question? We are Indian. Friends, this is the ability of Indian, that Indian can learn 5 to 6 languages. Yes, this is the ability. Friends, this is the ability. Whole world tells us that Indians are intelligent. Whole world tells us that Indians are very intelligent. But that whole world tells us that Indians are very lazy. Whole world also tells another things. Whole world also tells another things, that Indians are very lazy. Friends, we do not have anything. Yes, we do not have anything, but we don't practice anything. Yes, we do not have practice anything. Friends, this is the very simple. This is the Indian ability, that we can learn 5 to 6 language. But friends, we do not we do not need to learn 5 to 6 languages. We need to learn only one language, that is English. That is English. We learn to English, that is English. Friends, if I say speak in your mother tongue, you can speak very well in your mother tongue. If I say speak in English language, you friends, you be silently. Friends, because you do not have language. Your ideas are wonderful. you know your ideas are wonderful, your knowledge is good, but you do not have language. But somebody is, suppose somebody ask you that what is the time, and we start counting. Yes, we start counting. That means we do not know numbers in that language. We have to start from one. That means our knowledge is good, not our knowledge is wonderful, our ideas are wonderful, but our language is bad. This is the friend. Somebody asks you that what are the what are the what are the political situation in your cities. They can ask. Friends, you will say, I will tell you after 1 month. You will say, I will tell you after 1 month, because you don't know English. You have knowledge, you have ideas, but you don't know language. This is very simple. Friends, you know mother tongue everyone knows. Mother tongue everyone can speak in fluent manner. Friends, Germans speak better Germans. French speak better Germans. But India, at least we speak English language. That is why we are getting benefits. That's why we are getting benefits. This is very simple. Friends, if you want to make your good if you want to make if you want to make your good career, you need English language. This is very simple. You need to learn English language. Now friends, I have shared some my thoughts with all of you. Shared I have shared some thoughts about English language with all of you. Friends, now friends, I am talking about our next aspect of language. This is the I am talking about next topic of our life. This is very important, friends. Why I am going to reveal this topic in front of you? Why, friends? This is called, friends, very important. Friends, yes, I am talking about education. Yes, I am talking about education. Friends, first of all, please tell me, do you know the meaning of education? And please tell me, what do you understand by education, and what is your thinking about education, and what is your opinions about education? Friends, please tell me. You will say, sir, getting knowledge means education. But friends, it is not complete meaning. It is not complete meaning, friends. It is not complete meaning, friends. Education is not thing that you think. Yes, education is not think that you think, friends. Education is something that makes you yourself. Education is something that could provide you a way to achieve something and to be successful in your life. And education is education is something that could help you, friends, that could provide you